Let me show you how to fix WhatsApp status music if it's not working. This is a buggy feature in WhatsApp. I'll show you how to identify what's the issue with your phone and WhatsApp and how to fix it. Now, first just open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. Let's check out your status by tapping on Updates at the bottom left and Add Status. Now on here, you can either upload a photo, video, or you can just take a quick photo. Let's say I took this photo. Now from here, I should be able to add music at the very top, and I can choose among a bunch of different songs. I can always hit that play button and see if I like it, and if I do, hit the little arrow to add it. Now if this doesn't work for you, there are a couple reasons why. Let's get fully out of here and close out of WhatsApp. Now on your iPhone or Android, let's open up the App Store or Google Play Store. And first, we're just going to try to update WhatsApp. So just go to WhatsApp here, and if it does say update next to it, just tap on update. If it doesn't say update, or if this doesn't work, let's get into the settings app of your phone, because let's clear the cache and temporary files of that app. From here, tap on general and then iPhone storage. And now from here, you'll be able to see WhatsApp on this list. After you scroll down, just hit show all, and there's WhatsApp. Now, the nice thing is we can offload this app and then reinstall it. This clears out all the cache and temporary files and force updates it. If you're on an Android phone, all you need to do is essentially clear the storage and cache and then just open it back up again. After you go through all of these steps, if it's still not working in WhatsApp, you can always just open up the app here. And from the app, you'll be able to go in and tap on settings at the bottom right. Scroll down here because we need to get to help and feedback. And then from here, help center. Now, essentially, all you're going to do is go through this and find the specific one that helps with your status, or you might just need to search for it. You can see at the very bottom, though, I can tap on Contact Us. Now, you might be able to tap on Start Chat and then start chatting with them immediately and saying something like, hey, my music is not working. Can you help? Something like that, and then just hit the send, and they will get back to you and fix that issue in your WhatsApp app.